If I have programmed RIR in your workout, this video is definitely for you. Or maybe your coach has written 2 RIR or 3 RIR and you probably don't have any idea about it. Or probably you are hearing a lot about auto-regulation and you're so intrigued to know more about it. Whatever the reason is, in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain RIR in the simplest way possible, so stay till the end. By the way, I'm Coach Prazo and I've coached over 4,000 plus people in the last 10 years. RIR stands for reps in reserve. It's a way of measuring how close you are to your muscular failure. Instead of telling you how much weight to lift, I'm basically telling you how much cleaner, solid reps that you have left in the tank when you finish a set. It's a part of something called auto-regulation where you adjust your training based on how you are feeling on that particular day. So why do I use RIR? Because every day is not the same. Some days you are well fed, well rested and you feel amazing. On the other days you are stressed, tired, sleep deprived and you haven't recovered enough. If I ask you to lift the same amount of weight for same amount of reps, that's not fair. Because you would do it easily on the day where you feel amazing. On the contrary, on the other day where you are not well rested or recovered, you would find it really difficult. That's where auto-regulation comes in. Using RIR lets you train hard enough to make enough progress while managing fatigue and keeping the form solid. It also helps you recover better so that you can keep progressing over a period of time. Research shows that training closer to failure, probably 1 to 3 RIR, gives you a similar strength and muscle gain as to always training to failure while minimizing unnecessary fatigue for many lifters. One more important thing to remember is RIR is a skill. Like any other skill, it takes time for you to master it. When you start using it, you might think you stopped at 3 RIR, but you might have 5 left in the tank. But again, it's a skill which you're going to master over a period of time. So keep practicing it so that you keep getting better at judging your RIR. So if you have RIR in your workout plan, I hope it makes more sense now. The goal isn't to make the set really easy. The goal is to finish each set with the exact amount of effort your program is asking you for. That's how we train hard, recover well, and keep progressing over a period of time. Do hit that follow button so that you get more information on fitness.